Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. George Eng here again. Today's topic is about making money online. What are the basics of making money online? Okay guys, the traditional way, or rather the most common way, is to have a landing page or a squeeze page or a website with an opt-in form whereby you run traffic to it. Where you get your traffic, it can be from Facebook ads, from Google AdWords, from Twitter ads, from Bing ads, or whatever traffic channel that you have. Now, the more traffic you have is better because you can then get more eyeballs, more people to come to your website or to your landing page. Okay, now the idea is to get traffic as cheap as possible, preferably traffic that costs 0.0001 cents per click. So if you can have very cheap traffic coming to your website or to your landing page or your squeeze page or your opt-in page, then you are very sure that you're gonna make money, lots of money online. Okay, now let me show you how a landing page looks like. Okay, here's an example of a landing page. Sometimes you can call it a squeeze page or you can call it an opt-in page, OPT-IN, opt-in page, whereby you enter your name and your email here and then you click join free. Okay, this is just one example. Okay, here's another example of an opt-in page. Again, you put in your email here and you click join. Yes. Now here's another example. Again, you put your email, but sometimes they will also ask you to write in your name as well apart from your email. Now, so what happens is that when the emails are being sent to your website, they will go directly to the autoresponder. Now, what is an autoresponder? Okay, if you do a Google search on autoresponder, you will find that there are quite a number of autoresponders in the market. The most popular one are here, Aweber, then we have GetResponse, we have Zapier, we have MailChimp, Opt-in Monster, various type of autoresponder in the market. So what is an autoresponder? Okay, you can read here. Autoresponder is a sequence of emails that are automatically sent to a specific segment of people on your email list, triggered by a specific event such as joining your list. Okay, you see here, joining your list. So when they go to your opt-in form, your landing page or your website, they put in their name and an email, then they will then go into an autoresponder which collects all their emails, and then over a period of time you can then send them emails of your offers of whatever services or product that you are selling. So basically you are collecting the email database and then doing email blasts to them. That is how you make money online, to gather the database of emails of your prospects. Okay, now to understand further how it works, I will now let you have a look at a video by Fred. Fred is a global, very successful online marketer. So I'll pass it over to his video. Okay, guys.
Intro Tech Knowledge will show you how you can actually have one by the end of the workshop. You don't even have to have any team members, no customer service. You don't even have to deal with people, right? That's the best part. You don't even have to deal with people. And there's no location barrier. Doesn't matter where you're at around the world. And as a matter of fact, you can be sitting on a beach and you spend this 10 minutes by utilizing this one-page ugly website system to start producing you $1,000 per day in passive income. And you can actually continue to actually scale this business up. And I'll explain this in just a minute. And the best of all, a lot of people ask, do I need to have a lot of money to actually get started? After all, there's an old saying that in order for you to make money, you need to actually put in a lot of money to actually get started. But I can tell you, you do not need a lot of money. Seriously. Anyone can actually start investing in this business that has the potential to generate $1,000 per day in passive income. And seriously, if you are excited, what I want you to do is write down below, write in the comment box, say I'm 100% in. Alright, say that I'm 100% in and share your excitement with me. I'm going to read every single comment right down below. But remember, do not miss this live workshop. I can tell you, it is going to be a massive breakthrough for you and your family. Now, let me actually take this opportunity to actually share a little bit more on exactly what you're going to learn, and most importantly, how this one-page ugly website system can actually help you produce $1,000 per day in passive income. So, there's a myth on the internet and in a lot of people's mind that in order for you to actually build a proper online business, you need to build a website, you need to build a slick and nicely designed website with a lot of pages on there. I can tell you, scratch that off, because all you really need is just a one-page website. Not even a two-page, just a one-page website that looks pretty ugly. And in fact, it doesn't matter about the design. And you are going to actually see exactly how this one-page ugly website is like, and that you can actually copy during this live training. So right in a nutshell, you simply have this one-page ugly website. Okay? That's it. And all you really have to do, and on our workshop, we're going to actually show you how to start generating traffic. So getting people that are interested in what you have to offer on this one-page website, and we're going to talk about pennies traffic. So this is going to be like a penny traffic strategy to actually get people going right into your one-page ugly website that, like I said, you don't even have to worry about the technology. Seriously, you don't even have to worry about developing or knowing a line of coding. I'm going to show you exactly how this one-page ugly website actually works. And when the person actually goes into this one-page website, the ultimate goal is to build the number one assets for any online business, which is getting their email address. That's it. You just want to get their email address. Once you actually got their email address, all you really do is that, number one, it's added into what we call an autoresponder. And you simply just continue to send emails out to anyone that actually went to their one-page website that gives you their email, and really build your income from there. Now, here's the most important part. The most important part is that all it requires is 10 minutes a day from you, okay? And you can actually make an infinite amount of money based on the time. So let me actually explain this a little bit. Let's say that with your one-page website, you're able to actually generate 500 emails, okay? Now, at 500 emails, let's say that it helps you make $50, okay? So for every 500 emails, you make $50. And all you do is really spend as little as 10 minutes to write that email. Now, if you actually 10x this, right? If you 10x this to now 5,000 emails. So if you actually have now 5,000 emails, this will potentially become $500. But again, guess what? You literally just spent 10 minutes writing that same email. It doesn't matter if you're writing an email to 500 people versus 5,000 people, it is still the same time investment needed. So what that means is that the more you scale, the more money you make. And that means that this is like the direct comparison of the wealth, right? Wealthy people actually makes a lot more money per hour. This basically requires you to spend the same amount of time, but then if your email business actually got super big, let's say even to like 50,000 people, this can potentially become like $3,000, right? But again, all you require is that 10 minutes to actually write this out. So with 10 minutes and with scalability, that's where you actually make the most money out of your time. We can't buy time, but the people that actually make a lot of money, guess what? They make the most amount of money based on the time that is invested. So with this, you're literally making a completely scalable amount of money with the same given amount of time. Now, that's really one part. The other part is that while you are building the number one asset for your business using these one-page ugly website system, you're also going to actually send people through an affiliate link. Now, what affiliate is that you're simply just sending people to another website, and when they actually buy a product, you simply make a commission of upwards of 90% right in between. So basically from there, you actually drive people to what we call a thank you page where you continue to monetize from it. So in a nutshell, with this one-page ugly website system, not building an investment piece, which is emails, you're also going to actually make your money back at the same time. And listen, my mentor has done over $250 million using this exact system. And inside our live workshop coming up, you get to actually copy the entire process. He's going to show you what is the niche that you should be going after in 2020. He's going to show you how to do all these with no tech or no prior experience. And the best part is that he's going to show you tricks on getting penny traffic to your one-page website. Okay? So everything will be taken care of. If you're looking to actually wanting to generate an income online while building an asset, which is an investment vehicle for you and your family, and to actually generate dollar in passive income, you got to make sure you mark your calendar live. And as a matter of fact, like I said, I was able to actually get you guys a copy of a book that is actually for sale right now online, but completely free for those of you that are going to be joining us live in our workshop.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to click like, click share, and also click subscribe. Thank you.